Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we're going to put together this tool organizer. I picked it up on Amazon. I'm going to put a link down in the description, so if you're interested you can click that link and check it out. First thing I'm going to do is we're going to open the box. I'm going to show you what comes in it and the pieces. Of course, it comes with some instructions. Looks like it only requires an Allen wrench, and I'm thinking that there's probably one here with it, so I'm just going to lay out the parts here. And you know, I think one of the things about this particular organizer is it actually comes with a power strip, which most of them don't. And I'm just going to lay out all the parts and pieces here. Let's look at all the little screws. Is that this one actually comes with some shelves, some wooden shelves, and most of them don't have any wooden shelves. They're just all, yeah. These actually have 3 wooden shelves. Look at the finish on those. Are pretty nice. So, and there's 3 of them on there. So not only can you hang your cordless drills, it's got a rack for that, but you also have shelves that you can stack stuff on too. I'm going to put this back here. Anyway, I wanted to lay this all out for you so you can kind of see what comes with it. And I'm going to put this stuff all together, and once I get it put together, then I'll show you what it looks like. And then I believe I'm going to mount it right here on the side, and I'll actually show you what you can use and how you can organize your cordless tools and stuff on it. Okay, so looks like here, these, just so you know, these parts are marked, and A and C go together, and then B and D go together. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to take the wooden pieces and attach them to the 2 outside frame pieces that I showed you earlier. And I wanted to show you what screws we're going to use to attach the wooden shelves. So the screws you see there, those are the screws that are labeled number 2, and there's 16 of them. Okay, so what I want to show you here is this is G, and that's the first piece that you want to line up and connect these 2 outside frames to. And like I said, you're going to use the number 2 long screw, which is this one right here. And there's 2 in each end, 2 in this end and 2 in that end. And it's dark, so it's pretty hard to see the screws, but I wanted to show you that. Let me see if I can get in some light where you can see. And you can see, go around to the back side. This side you can see better. So you can see the top 2 screws I've tightened down. What you want to do is, as you add these next shelves, they're all pre-drilled holes. Same screws all the way down to add the 3 shelves. You want to line them up on the pre-drilled holes, start them by hand, and then use the Allen wrench to screw them in all the way. Just do them to about 3/4 right there till you get them all lined up and started, because you need to adjust the shelves to the pre-drilled holes there. And then once you get them all lined up, you can tighten them all down. So do that and add all 3 shelves, and then I'll show you the next part. One of the things I want to show you is, you see these mounting holes right here? You want to make sure when you're putting this frame together that you have the mounting hole on the bottom and the mounting hole right here on the top on the same side, so that you don't have it up here and the other one down here. You got to make sure they're both on the same side on both sides, so that when you're mounting it on the wall, you've got them in the right place. Okay, so we're going to attach this bottom rack, and like I said, on this bottom shelf here, Make sure you don't tighten these last screws, because if you do, this frame's going to be too tight and you won't be able to get this in place. So to get this in place, don't tighten the screws on this bottom shelf yet. You're going to use that number 1 screw. There's only 2 of them that length, and they go right there. And again, just start it finger tight. Don't tighten it down yet. Okay, so now you see we're going to mount all the side pieces here, and we're going to use screw number 3. There's 8 of them that size. Okay, so here's what it looks like all put together. It even comes with its own little power strip, and all of it was put together with one tool. This little Allen wrench that comes with it. So hopefully the instructions, because they only come with pictures, that's why I wanted to do this video, to show you how to put it together. It's really relatively simple, pretty handy. You can mount it on the wall. That way you're able to use the rest of the racks. You could hang your cordless drills, you can stack stuff on it, hang a hammer, just whatever you want. You've got the screwdriver rack right here to put your screwdrivers. You got a little bin to store stuff here with, a little shelf. You got these nice wooden shelves too. Pick this up on, like I said, on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description if you're interested. Make sure you click that link and follow it there. Hopefully it was helpful for you. If it was, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family. And until next time, stay safe.